was scared just now.
Yeah. Everybody just. Whoa, 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 whoa! Shut. Whoa.
Standing up on the block and the young nigga ain't have a dime. I had to go get me some paper, my child on the way here, I can't wait some time. Now I got your hoe in the backseat, she up on go like a track me. I pass it up, bro, that's a tag team. We going too fast, it's at track speed. Take off, this a track off. Hit that bitch from the back, pull her tracks out. I'm sneaking jet fuel in the NASCAR. Need some new tires, cause I ripped the tracks off. I don't believe in your little face, all that subliminals like this and ain't into that. If you want action, we get internet, talk on the internet, boy say it in the flesh. I remember standing up on the block and the young nigga ain't have a dime. I had to go get me some paper, my child on the way here, I can't wait some time. Now I got your hoe in the backseat.
What's the word to me? It's your boy Tyrekevlogs, and we're back with another video. And you can see right now we got a SCAT. Look, come show them the sign real quick. We got a SCAT pack right here, people. Hold on, man, hold on. I'm gonna drive this car first, but first, it's my first time ever. I'm gonna be driven in one, drive one, or whatever. So I'm gonna get y'all my reaction to everything. But you right now watch this video can drive this car right now, and I'm gonna give you all that information with a jump cut scene right now. Bam.
So guys, in order to get this car, you gotta go on Turo, but only perk is you gotta be in Charlotte, North Carolina area. If I can ship it anywhere else, I would, but I can't. But this is a 2021 SCAT Pack wide body. It's a phenomenal car. I've had a few cars, but by far this is one of my favorites. And I would have got the Hellcat, but you know, this one got all these extra perks where it's lane assist. It has like that braking guidance stuff, so whenever you pull up on somebody, if you're too close, it'll slow down. You know, collision avoidance. For the most part, man, yo, if you got 170 and you want to drive this car, hit me up with Extreme Clarity. Too easy.
Right. Alright, y'all, so I'm for the first give you guys my first time reaction being driven by a professional in Extreme Clarity himself right now. So we're gonna get straight to it. It's late. I think someone called the cops on us because we was trying to get some drone shots here. As you can see, we jaywalking. We part like, what we Fast and the Furious? We're finna get straight to this video right now. You think you ready for this, Marvin?
I'm ready for it, bro.
You ready for this, man?
I'm ready.
Let's see if he got the whip. But first, you gotta like creep out of here.
We gotta creep out of here.
You see what's going on over there, so
go somewhere where we gotta take it to Mexico. Y'all know.
We could cross the border right now, y'all.
Yeah, 1820.
Alright.
Y'all know what that is.
You know, some people leave it, not left yet.
We not leaving.
Not left yet.
Alright,
y'all. There was a little cop there trying to do some things. So, anyways, we finna hop on the streets real quick. Finna hop on the highway. So let me put my seatbelt on.
Safety first, guys.
I don't know.
When we going to Mexico, safety first.
So we're going to Mexico. We're finna cross the border.
Right now, we about like 2 minutes from the border. You know.
You capping? True?
You know, 2 minutes from the border for real.
No, I'm actually talking. You true?
Okay, true. From the Mexican border, of course.
Alright, man.
You know what I'm saying?
Oh my gosh.
Alright, that's
You know, we ain't trying to hear all that. Oopsie.
You know, I don't like it, bro. I hate.
I know you hate the heat. So, but it's like I don't want my Audi to be messed up.
Let's go on and put this shit.
What you doing? What you doing over here?
Oh yeah, I'll show you what I had to do. I had to hide the damn.
No, you can't show them where you put it.
We can't show them.
They was gonna put it in
They don't worry. It's gonna be a password on here pretty soon. You had to hide the damn thing before you can put it in motherfucking track mode.
So you go in track mode right now. Okay, we heard that.
You felt the
difference? Yep. Alright, so we're in track. What's that mean? What that mean?
That means you got access to the full power. Traction control is off. If you want to get a little squirrely, you can. You know what I'm saying?
Okay.
If you want to, you can. You know what I'm saying? You want to get a little squirrely out here.
Okay, y'all. I don't think I'm gonna be doing all that.
It's a flick of a button. A little flick.
Flick of a button.
We gonna go over here and see that nigga. We wasn't gonna make that side. You know?
So we're up here on the highway right now?
Yeah, we're going to Mexico.
We're going across the border real quick, y'all.
Here we go.
Oh shit! What is that?
We out here in Mexico. Let me see what you think. This guy wants some smoke?
I don't think so, bro. I don't think so.
Think he wants some smoke?
No, he's chilling, man. He cruising. Oh shit!
It's a quick little something, bitch. You know what I'm saying?
It is quick. What? You got partnership too? Oh hell no! Y'all see that?
Come on, keep
Alright, don't play. Do something, y'all. We trying to move.
We got to have breakfast out here.
We trying to move. We cutting, but move.
He ain't gonna do it.
We ain't moving. No, we chilling. Ah, okay.
Come on.
There we go. It's about time now. Any day. Woo! This is cutting. Extreme clarity, y'all. Go get this shit. Oh, okay.
This shit floating.
Okay, yeah. Alright. I'm good. I'm not scared, y'all. I'm chilling. I'm not scared at all.
He ain't scared yet.
I'm not even crying.
He ain't crying.
Damn. But this is my first. That breaks. See now? Alright.
What you say?
I ain't say nothing, man.
Miles an hour. Wish there was more traffic with here.
Wish there was more. This is enough traffic. Alright guys, we're going shopping, right? We're going shopping right now. Let's see. We're going shopping. He's shopping. He is shopping. Yeah, he said he wished there was more traffic. That should be. Yeah. Woo. This motor quick, bro. We doing 100?
Hey, that was. Hold on. It was like 100. We in Mexico. We can do that. We in Mexico. I might have to call you back. We're making a video. We're being chased by the cops.
Him not moving up. They get chopped.
You see the lane assist?
Yeah. We're too close. Hey, turn in the alien boy. Hey boy, turn in the alien boy. Boy.
Let's go. A little quick trip to Mexico.
Little trip to Mexico. I'm back, y'all.
We're back.
I'm back. And back. I guess I'm gonna be driving like an old person because y'all ain't gonna see me do none of this. This is all track mode, right?
Yep.
That's the most dangerous mode, basically. Is that it?
You don't have no traction.
Oh, you ain't got no traction. So if you're going too fast,
it will spin out on there.
Understood. Y'all heard that? So when you get a car on the tour app, don't put it in track mode.
Don't worry. There will be a lock. Y'all won't be able to turn the traction off because I'm tired of people eating up my tires. Tired of y'all eating up my tires.
Oh my God, bro. It's crazy.
That wasn't bad. Mexico wasn't that bad, wasn't it?
Mexico wasn't that bad. Where am I gonna go? Where should I go? I'm driving. Where should I go?
Go to Jamaica.
Go Jamaica. Jamaica road bad. Jamaica got the bad roads, bro. If you ever been to Jamaica watching this video right now, y'all know the road in Jamaica.
Man, not all
bad.
What is it? Highway 2000?
Oh, no, that different. Oh gosh.
Wasn't that bad, right?
That was good, man. That was good.
That's the one thing I like about the power in this car. It's really linear. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
You know, some car when you change gears, it's like
jumping and
it's like very linear. But once you get over 120, it's like that motherfucker just want to eat. My bad. Once you get over 60 up to 60, it just want to eat.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Understood.
It just want to eat.
Where we going?
We can pull over at this gas station. Yeah, let's switch it out in the gas station.
We're gonna do a switcheroo real quick.
Yeah, man.
And see if I can allow. Oop, look at her in the little Hellcat. Oh my gosh, y'all. I'm gonna hit y'all back when I'm driving this car. But my reaction to that, yo, that's crazy. I don't think if I had this car, I'd be driving like that.
Really? I wasn't even doing shit. That ain't even nothing.
I'm not scared because I'm used to driving fast. If y'all know me, you know I drive hella fast, you read me? However, this much power, I'm not used to it. No lie. Not used to it.
I mean, and for y'all people that's not used to, you can always put it in auto, sports. You can always put it in auto, or you can customize it to your liking. I mean, all of that would be available except for track mode. Track mode and sports mode will have the traction on. That's it.
You gotta be in Charlotte, y'all.
I gotta be in Charlotte right now. We doing a discount, man. That boy.
Man, all the cars on the app, we just tried to show. We just got a new customer, but all the cars and the Tour app is charging y'all $400. We charging
$190 right now. It's $190 right now. But if you do it for a 3-day, like 3 days back to back consecutively, you'll get a discount, 10% discount on that. Man, but you believe them boys got them things up there for $450, bro?
The older versions.
$450 for the old man. That's crazy.
So through an app, y'all.
Hey.
Not crack-a-lackin'.
Hey, we ain't stingy out here. We want to provide an experience. As long as y'all bring a car back in one piece, it's here, extreme clarity. And
that's the main deal right there. Bring the car back in one piece.
Bring it back in one piece.
But I'm gonna hit y'all back, bro. So guys, right now, my first time, I'm in the driver's seat. I got my seatbelt on. Let me make sure, man.
Let me do that, okay.
You might play with me now, people. Him knows. Put on your seatbelt. Put on your seatbelt. Look, he knows I can drive already.
That's cool.
That's the only reason why you got me driving your car.
You're right.
Exactly. However, it's my first time driving a car with so much power, but I'm just gonna try and see what's going on. I'm gonna take it a look. I don't know why you got it in track. Like I'm gonna be like, you know, maybe I'll try something else later.
Yeah,
but right now,
you don't get tired of that shit. That shit gonna the way you drive that auto gonna be like, alright, time to go for the next level.
Let's see what's happening, y'all. Alright, drive me to the highway, basically.
Alright, so go Tesla. To the right.
See, it doesn't sound like when he was driving, it's regular. Alright, cool. It's not bad. Got a record. Come on, man. Come on now, man.
Let's see where you going. Go ahead. He's driving like he's driving Miss Daisy, but you know.
Which side should I go?
Go to the left.
Right?
Take the left.
You gotta stop it. Why you recording the street? This is the worst cameraman in the history, bro.
Alright, so there we go.
You turning right here, buddy?
Yes. You see this bullshit?
I did that though.
Yeah, in auto.
I did that in auto.
It's not even the sports mode.
Alright.
So this is what we're gonna do though. See now we kind of made that spot hot. No, we can go back down that way.
You see what he just said? Y'all made the spot hot.
So
he does this regular.
Alright, we should go that way. Go that way. Yeah, we gonna go on that side of the highway. We don't made this half of the highway. Yeah.
Alright, these worst cameraman ever, bro. Record yourself too. You just recording your reaction to me driving the car,
really?
my boy. Everything is happening right now, so I'm turning left.
You're gonna turn left.
Alright, Mr. Crackalakin. CC said I'm gonna get tired of this, bro. He knows how I drive, and he says I'm gonna get tired of the sport mode. So which mode you think I should drive in?
You're gonna get tired of auto. Like sports is gonna be okay. Track.
Sports. Alright, I'm gonna put it in sports right now, y'all.
Alright, so
make a difference.
Just put in sports. I don't know if he's gonna know the difference.
Sport.
So. Yeah, It's a little bit more kick in sport. Okay, all right. It's the first time in the passenger seat of my own shit. It feels a little weird. It's a crazy ass quarter up here. We'll let you know that right now. I'll let you know that right now.
Ooh, okay, I gotta use both hands in this motherfucker. It's kind of tight. Alright, alright. Alright. Let's see, bro. Let's see. Let's see. It feels good. I think I get used to this. I get used to this, but they're holding me right now in traffic. Oh God.
Miss Daisy don't want to let you pass. You're going the slowest out of everybody in the fast lane. Get out of the fast lane. I'm talking about that car.
Oh God, they holding me.
Look at this shit. Look at this shit. Look at this shit.
They're holding me, bro.
This motherfucker. Holy shit. Oh shit. Alright. Okay. Where the fuck? Where the oh shit.
Alright, y'all.
What the fuck?
This is my first time, y'all. Don't be doing too much, but I'm getting off the highway. I ain't want no cars being made. I'm getting off the highway.
What the fuck?
That's the reaction. Oh, I get back. Keep right.
Alright, you go left, go left.
That's the reaction right there, though.
This motherfucker crazy.
But I'm getting off the highway. I love
crazy.
this car. I love this car.
I'm crazy.
I love this car.
This man made me want to boost this car, though. You think I should put some more power on this shit?
It's up to you. I love this. I know everybody in the highway is scared just now.
Yeah. Everybody just. Whoa, 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 shut up. What the fuck?
Alright, I'm gonna get back.
We almost died 4 times just now. He did his thing though. He did his thing though. He did it. He definitely did his thing.
I held it.
He held it. He definitely
Why
held
is he
it.
in the crack? Oh my gosh.
You scared that motherfucker from all the way back there.
I held it.
He did. I ain't gonna lie. You surprised me. I thought you lost it.
Why would I do it?
You didn't though.
So do I get back? I keep asking.
No, keep going straight. We was going straight into. You got me forgetting where the fuck my house was at, my nigga. Yo, the reaction bosses made shit. I'm the reaction boss. Got me over
He
here.
is the reaction boss at this point.
Got me over here looking like I'm about to shit and piss on myself in my own shit. Bro, we about to post this shit too, bro. Bro.
Yo, y'all can be driving this car, but just don't drive it like how I am driving it, bro. Turo.
Nah, I ain't putting this shit on Turo no more. Y'all gonna think y'all can wrap this shit around a pole? No, sir. We gonna have to put some minivans on Turo now after this shit.
I ain't gonna lie, bro. I love this car.
Listen,
I love this car. That's my fault.
don't do what we do.
That's my fault. Who's this?
That shit was crazy. That was
crazy.
That was living. That was life. Can't wait to go back so I can take a shower and change my underwear, because that shit's crazy, bro. Hey guys, listen.
Woo.
I will never abuse anybody else in the passenger seat of any of my car by driving like I'm crazy.
Definitely, cause y'all see him crying now.
I ain't crying. Look at this guy. See, he fucking up the video because he crazy. Fucking up the video because he real crazy. But anyway,
He's scared of his old whip.
He ain't got
Don't play
me.
with me. Don't play with me.
he ain't got me scared. I'm gonna tell you what he did. He ain't got me scared. He just made me realize how fucked up it is to be drifting and sliding with motherfucker in this car seat. How fucked up it is to be drifting and sliding with motherfuckers in the car seat, because I ain't gonna lie, he had me fearing for their life. Like he had that shit sideways 3 times. I don't know.
Was it 3?
Bro, I don't know how you.
Wait. 1, 2.
Nigga, it was 3.
3 times.
It was 3. I was counting.
3 times.
I know how many times I almost died.
Yeah, I
nigga.
saw his face, right?
I know how many times I hope they did, because this camera was all over the place like that shit. He almost killed me.
We should have someone outside recording that.
Yeah. Like I'm a changed man after the day. It's not that I'm scared. It's like now I know, because I'm always the one driving and doing this shit, bro. We turning up here, so don't be trying to kill me again.
I'm not doing nothing again. But yo, it was real. I enjoy myself. Remember, y'all, if y'all in Charlotte, North Carolina, y'all want to drive this car, y'all, Turo app. But he got scared just now. Is this one, right?
Yes, that's corner.
See the same thing? Is it gonna make me miss the turn and shit?
I'm not, bro. You wouldn't mind missing a fucking turn.
But yo, it was real, guys. I really enjoyed it. I don't know, like I'm not a big car person. Like I got a dream car, a favorite car though. I think I've told this before, right?
Well, hold on. We need to say this, because all right, so
yeah, as I was saying, I don't got like a dream car. I'm not like a crazy car will be like, oh, I need this car, I need that car. I'm not that crazy over vehicles.
Well,
so anything would do. But who said I wouldn't buy this? Is this turn right?
No, keep going straight.
Who said I would not buy this car though? I would.
It's the next one on the right.
I would buy it. I like going fast. If you know me, I drive fast as hell. Y'all can see I drove this car just on the highway. Yeah. You feel me? But it's just like, I'm not that person
right
get up and spell like, wait, right?
Right here, yeah.
I really don't know where I'm at.
No gravel burnouts.
Oh hell no, I know that.
Well,
how y'all do burnouts? I'm not doing it, I was asking how y'all do burnouts.
I ain't telling you to do shit. I'm good. Really, it's simple though. You put your foot on the brakes and the gas, and this one has a line lock, so it locks it automatically.
Whatever you say, my boy.
Go straight.
Oh, we here already?
No, it's gonna be left up here, and then you should see all the cars. But yeah, man, that was real. Oi. You hear me complaining about tires? You already done left a good amount on the fucking road. You know what? I'm gonna charge that. It's my, you know what? I know what I'm gonna do. I can't do it tonight because I know that shit's gonna go dead. I got a favor to return, motherfucker, in that red car. So I'm gonna make sure I leave early tomorrow so I can come back and return the favor. You ain't gonna have me? You ain't gonna have me out here. That shit, I got full control. I spin that bitch around anything. Right here.
Oh, I know where I'm at.
And driveway look.
Driveway
look healthy, bro.
Really nice.
Driveway healthy.